production manager here at Two Rivers Citrus. I'm farming here with my father. He's started farming in 1994, so he's been here quite a few years. Built, quite a big farm, intricate farm. That's very nice to take over at the end of the day. Our relationship is quite well. It's sometimes difficult to balance the personal and work life. Because business is business, and obviously afterwards you still have to bride together and party together, or continue with your social life together. I think we manage it. I have lots of respect for my dad. He's a very hard and straight up person, and I think that's helps a lot, because you always know where you stand with him. And we enjoy farming together. We always bounce ideas off each other. It's always nice to have someone where you can go to and ask questions or ask advice. We're very blessed to still have my father here to show us the ropes while we're still learning. We hope that one day we can continue his legacy and build on what he's given us. We are very grateful for what he's given us, and we'll try our best to build on it and give a brighter future to the people here at Two Rivers.